Okay, got a chance to check out the Skyrover X1 drone, which you see here, out at the Chocoloco Off-Road Park with my Jeep group. Comes with a 3-pack of batteries as an accessory. I was getting about 20 minutes per battery. Nice thing is the Skyrover will return back to the home position before the battery runs out. Comes with a nice carry case. And it also comes with this, kind of like an Xbox controller. You mount your cell phone to it. And there's 2 thumbsticks that you use to control up, down, in the different directions. Very easy to use. I'm very impressed with this drone, and we've got some footage to show you how it worked on the off-road trails. Hey there, my name's Brian Hoyt. I am the social media lead for the Georgia Jeep Alliance Club, and we want to say thank you to Skyrover team for donating this drone to our club. This is going to really improve and enhance our video capability for our off-road events. I did take it out to Chocoloco Park, and it took some amazing footage. We're also going to be taking this out to Moab in September, so we're going to get some epic footage out there for some desert off-roading. And then we'll go to Colorado the following week, and we're gonna see some epic scenery for some of the trails that we'll do out there. So very impressed with this drone, so really appreciate it.